G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, a little fun fact about the Ben Robert Smith defamation case. Kerry Stokes, who funded the case, has also been found to be a compulsive liar by a federal court judge. So they both got something in common. And in that case, Kerry Stokes also instituted the proceedings. Now, Ben Robert Smith, obviously, he instituted the defamation proceedings against Nine Entertainment, their papers. And obviously, it backfired. He's been found to be a war criminal, a murderer, and a compulsive liar. But I want to have a look at Kerry Stokes and his matter back in 2007, the infamous C7 matter where he sued 22 other parties, claiming they conspired to destroy his C7 pay TV company. And this is what the judge had to say about the matter, Justice Ronald Sackville. The matter was Seven Network v News Limited, but there were 22 parties. Now, the judge said at paragraph 394, there were occasions on which, in my opinion, he gave evidence that he knew was not true. Now, he goes on to say in the same paragraph, Mr. Stokes' evidence on this issue was not only implausible, but I must conclude deliberately false. Now, my favourite is paragraph 396, where Justice Sackville says, having said that, it is also appropriate to record my view that the unreliability of Mr. Stokes' evidence was, in part, a product of his reconstruction of events through the prism of self-interest, laid with more than a little wishful thinking. So Stokes was making up this evidence through the prism of self-interest, laid with more than a little wishful thinking. In other words, Stokes was a compulsive liar, a dickhead who just lied like there was no tomorrow in the witness stand. Now, I'll be publishing an article on my website, Kangaroo Court of Australia, on Saturday the 3rd of June 2023 with a lot more information. I'm not going to get into the war crime so much, but from the angle of Kerry Stokes funding the defamation matter and how it's backfired badly, because Kerry Stokes and his company, Seven West Media, Seven Network, and also Capilano Honey, spent 8-9 years running slap lawsuits against me to silence me as a journalist. And I think they probably spent somewhere between $5 and $10 million. So I know them and I know them well, and I know their legal tactics. So I'm able to give you some inside information there, how they've operated. Anyhow, Kangaroo Court of Australia's independent media. I publish a website, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Twitter account. So please support my Patreon account, and please share this video on Facebook and Twitter, etc. Thank you for your time and have a good day.